Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. If you're new to iPhone, then in this episode, we are going to see how to unsend a message on iPhone. So if you have accidentally sent any message to your friend and if you want to unsend it, this feature works only with iMessage, and right now this feature will not work on your regular text messages that you send to Android users. So the recipient, the receiver should also be using the iPhone or have active iMessage feature. So here, after sending the message, you can tap and hold, and for a particular time this unsend feature will be visible. So tap on undo send and that message will be removed from your iPhone, and at the same time, if the receiver haven't opened your message, then the message will also be deleted from their iPhone. So this is how you unsend a message, and you can see the label saying you unsent a message. So you can type the message with correct details once again and send it using the send button to fix any issues that have happened earlier. Thanks for watching, and for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.